Hey everyone, have you ever looked into your kitchen cabinet and wondered if those everyday items might have hidden health benefits? Today we're diving into something truly unexpected: the powerful combination of castor oil and baking soda. You might think, can this simple mixture really be that effective? Well, stick around, because we're about to explore how this duo can help with a whole range of issues, from skin health to easing pain and even managing troublesome seasonal allergies. If you are interested in this topic, type "I am ready" in the comment right now. Just comment "I am ready." When I see your comment, I'll give you a heart. And if you want to support the channel, leave a like and subscribe. It takes less than a second and really helps the channel grow. And if you have any experiences and recommendations, I will love to read them in the comments below. Castor oil has been cherished for centuries for its versatile healing properties. Derived from the seeds of the castor plant Ricinus communis, this thick, pale oil is packed with a unique compound called ricinoleic acid, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. It's a natural moisturizer, so it's fantastic for softening dry skin, and it's often found in skincare products and hair treatments. Castor oil has even been used as a traditional remedy for joint pain and muscle soreness. Many believe it has detoxifying effects, and some even apply it as a warm compress to help relieve stomach cramps or boost circulation. But castor oil isn't only for topical use, it also works wonders on hair, stimulating growth and adding shine. It's a go-to remedy for a wide range of issues, making it a versatile element in natural health routines. Ready to see what combining it with baking soda can do? Let's dive into the benefits. Number 1. Skin Soother for irritations and infections. Starting off, let's talk about how castor oil and baking soda together work wonders on skin irritations and infections. Have you ever had a patch of irritated skin that just won't go away, no matter what creams you try? Castor oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and baking soda works as a gentle exfoliator, helping to clear away dead skin cells and bacteria. Imagine this: if you or someone you know has struggled with athlete's foot or a mild fungal infection, this combination might be just what they need. Just mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda, apply it to the affected area, and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. You'll be amazed at how it starts soothing the irritation within just a few uses. If you stick with it daily, you should start to see some changes. It's pretty incredible for such a simple remedy. If you're going to try this out, comment "My skin deserves care." Number 2. Relieving muscle and joint pain. Next up, let's talk about muscle and joint pain. You know those days when everything just aches, maybe from a tough workout or just the daily grind. Castor oil has been used traditionally to ease pain due to its anti-inflammatory effects, and when mixed with baking soda, it forms a paste that can actually soothe sore muscles and joints. To try it out, simply mix a tablespoon of castor oil with a pinch of baking soda and rub it into the sore area. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse off. This can be a game changer, especially for anyone dealing with arthritis or regular muscle pain. Ready to give your body the natural detox it deserves? Comment "Goodbye soreness," "Hello relief," and let's get started. Number 3. Natural remedy for congestion relief. Did you know that this combo can even help with sinus congestion? It's a gentle way to help open up nasal passages when you're struggling with that stuffy feeling. My dad used to suffer from constant sinus issues, especially during allergy season. He tried this remedy, and after about a week, he noticed a real difference. All you have to do is warm a mixture of castor oil and a bit of baking soda, then gently massage it on your forehead and around your sinuses. Leave it on for 20 minutes, and then rinse it off. This helps with decongestion naturally, and who wouldn't want to breathe a little easier? If you're going to try this out, comment "Clear sinuses, here I go." Number 4. Boosting oral health. Here's something surprising: castor oil and baking soda are also great for oral health. Baking soda is already well known in dental care for its gentle abrasiveness and acid-neutralizing properties, but did you know that castor oil can add extra antimicrobial benefits? For a healthy gum massage, mix a tiny bit of baking soda with castor oil and rub it onto your gums using a soft toothbrush. Rinse after 2 minutes. With regular use, this combo can reduce plaque buildup and even make your gums healthier. If you're all about healthy gums, comment, "Time to give my smile a natural boost," and try this out with me. Number 5. Nourishing dry or cracked skin. Winter months can be brutal on our skin, leaving it dry, cracked, and craving moisture. This is where castor oil's deeply hydrating properties truly shine, especially when paired with baking soda's mild exfoliation effect. If you've ever struggled with cracked hands or heels, this natural remedy could be just the thing to bring relief. To try it, mix a tablespoon of castor oil with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Rub it into those dry or cracked areas, like your elbows or heels, and let it sit for about 20 minutes. When you rinse it off, you'll feel the difference right away. Using this remedy a couple of times a week can keep your skin feeling soft and smooth all season long. Who else believes their skin deserves the best? Comment, "Nourished skin. Here I come," if you're ready for the glow up. Number 6. Softening calluses on feet. If you're someone who spends a lot of time on your feet, you probably know the struggle of dealing with calluses. They can get rough, dry, and uncomfortable. Here's the good news: castor oil and baking soda can help soften and break down those hardened patches of skin. Just mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with a teaspoon of baking soda, apply it to the calloused areas, and let it sit for 20 minutes. Afterward, use a pumice stone to gently scrub away the dead skin. With regular use, you'll notice smoother, softer feet that are a lot more comfortable. If you are going to try this out, comment, "Soft feet, here I come." Number 7. Erasing eczema and psoriasis symptoms. Eczema and psoriasis can be stubborn, leaving the skin irritated, flaky, and inflamed. Castor oil's moisturizing properties, combined with baking soda's ability to balance pH levels, can make a difference by calming the skin and reducing itchiness and redness. To try this, mix a small amount of castor oil with baking soda and gently apply it to the affected areas. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. If used a few times a week, this can help soothe those tough patches, especially during flare-ups. Tired of skin irritation? Let's kick it to the curb. Comment, "Soothing vibes," only if you're ready to give this remedy a try. Number 8. Supporting healthy hair growth. Now, here's an unexpected benefit: hair health. If you're trying to grow thicker, healthier hair, castor oil is already a well-loved solution. But did you know that adding a pinch of baking soda can actually help cleanse the scalp and improve hair texture? This mixture helps remove buildup, promotes circulation, and nourishes hair follicles. For a gentle scalp treatment, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with a small pinch of baking soda, then massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water and shampoo as usual. Use this treatment once a week for the best results. On a mission for healthier hair, comment, "Bring on the good hair days," if you're ready for this journey. Number 9. Lip exfoliator for softer lips. Do you ever struggle with cracked lips, especially in the colder months? Castor oil's rich hydration, combined with baking soda's exfoliating power, creates a gentle scrub to keep your lips soft and smooth. Simply mix a teaspoon of castor oil with a pinch of baking soda, apply it to your lips, and massage gently. Leave it on for a minute, then rinse off with warm water. Just 1 application can help, and doing this weekly will keep your lips feeling soft all season long. Want soft, kissable lips all season? Comment, "Soft lips." Here we go, and let's make it happen. Number 10. Soothing insect bites and stings. In the warmer months, insect bites and stings can become a real nuisance. Whether it's from mosquitoes, bees, or other bugs, the itching and swelling can make it hard to relax. Luckily, castor oil and baking soda can provide a natural solution. Castor oil's soothing properties can calm the skin, while baking soda helps balance the pH and reduces itching. For quick relief, mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Apply it to the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. This simple remedy can help reduce itching and swelling, so you can enjoy the rest of your day in peace. Dealing with pesky, itchy bites? Comment, "Goodbye itch, hello comfort," and let's tackle those bites naturally. Before you dive into using this dynamic duo of castor oil and baking soda, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, if you have sensitive skin or allergies, it's always a good idea to do a patch test before applying any new remedy. Just apply a small amount to a small area of your skin and see if there's any reaction. Additionally, if you have any open wounds or broken skin, it's best to avoid using this mixture on those areas. It could potentially cause irritation, so it's better to wait until your skin has healed. Lastly, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's always best to consult your healthcare provider before using any new remedies. And there you have it, 10 incredible ways you can use castor oil and baking soda together to enhance your skin, hair, and overall well-being. It's a simple, natural remedy that has so many uses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more natural tips and tricks. And if you've tried any of these remedies, or you're excited to give them a go, let me know in the comments below. For more health tips and remedies, check out the next video on the screen. Until next time, take care of yourself and stay glowing.